The San Juan Islands are a collection of beautiful forested islands located in the north waters of the Puget Sound. Archaeologists say the sequence of rocks in the San Juan Islands is similar to those found east of the mountains, as all the islands are covered with volcanic rock. There are around 700 islands and reefs that can be found between the mainland and Vancouver Island. The sea border is the Haros Strait, which divides the islands into the Canadian Southern Gulf Islands and the American San Juan Islands. The islands are mainly rural, though there aren't many towns and residents here, but the number of people in this region increases during the summer when tourists flock here to enjoy the stunning scenery and wonderful recreational opportunities. There are 176 various size islands in the San Juans. The largest are served by ferries from the Washington mainland and each other. The other small islands are not accessible by public ferry, only with a private boat or float plane. However, some of the smaller islands are private property. Deception Pass Headlands Trail is a picturesque path that runs along Deception Pass State Park, offering marvelous views from the rugged cliffs, stunning views of sand dunes, green forest, and blue waters of the lakes. Deception Pass State Park is an amazing 4,134-acre park that offers 77,000 feet of saltwater beach and almost 34,000 feet of freshwater shoreline for exploration. Old-growth trees, sand dunes, different kinds of birds and animals, all of these can be found in the park. The best way to explore the park is to go hiking. The Headlands Trail is one of the most popular paths. It takes visitors through the park along its beautiful acreage. The hike starts at the CCC Interpretive Center and leads you to Rosario Head and back. In order to thoroughly enjoy the headlands, choose the Bowman Bay Rosario Beach Trail, which allows you to enjoy spectacular views of the Olympic Mountains and surrounding lake. If you go west, the path will take you through the forest, revealing great views of Bowman Bay. Shark Reef is located on the southwest side of Lopez Island. This beautiful and easy hike takes visitors through the peaceful forest to the rocky cliffs and treats you to stunning views of San Juan Channel. Shark Reef Sanctuary was once a military site, but it has been transformed into one of the most scenic hiking areas. Hikers get to enjoy Mount Finlayson across the channel, as well as the highest mountain on the island, Dallas Mountain. If you look south, you'll surely enjoy the snow-capped Olympics. Straight ahead are jagged reefs, offshore rocks, and Dead Man Island. Spencer Spit State Park is a delightful 138-acre marine park located on Lopez Island in the Strait of Juan de Fuca. This place is famous among tourists and is a popular place for crabbing, car-top boating, and clamming. The park got its name thanks to the sand in the lagoon. Native Americans used this perfect place for fishing, crabbing, and clamming. Spencer Spit is a gorgeous and stunning beach full of pebbles and sand that can be hiked year-round. Low tide time is a great opportunity for exploring the marine life. Spencer Spit is the perfect place. When you come here, it's easy to lose the sense of time because time stops here.
喜欢我的视频请关注、转发。